So let's talk about ongoing data mapping for AI with respect to the inferred data, which is the output of the AI system or the ADM system. How should we handle that? What are the best practices and review mechanisms for that? Welcome to my YouTube channel where you daily see new content on data privacy. And as I said, let's talk about the ongoing data mapping with respect to the inferred data, best practices around it. Data mapping in general, the process of identifying, categorizing, and tracking what data are we collecting? How are we using it? How is it getting processed? What is the flow of data in our organization? From the time of collection, including the data that's already there in our organization, till the time we are using it. What is the retention policy and how do we delete it? The entire thing is covered under data mapping, and that needs to be done for all kinds of data, including AI. And apart from checking just processing system in AI system, there are other factors like, for example, combining the given to the AI system because it's coming out of multiple systems, and then transforming the data. So how is the data getting combined and transformed, and how does it drive automated decisions when it comes to the AI systems? So mapping inferred data, what is the inferred data? The AI models that create new data, create new attributes also. For example, if I have record of purchase that a person does regularly, where does he live? What are his social activities? How does he behave on social platform? Now, these are all different sources of collecting information, but the AI algorithm can be generated to help me estimate his income, right? So if it can help me estimate his income, that's a big thing, right? So that's estimation of income is the inferred data out of the entire thing. Mapping it matters because it is sometimes more sensitive than the original data. Regulators expect that you are going to explain the meaning of these inferences, and any unmapped inference can go biased. Because if output is going to be used as an input to some other AI algorithm, and we are not sure about the kind of output getting generated, then the input in the next algorithm and therefore the output in the next algorithm could get biased, unlawful, right? So that's why the data mapping of inferenced data is also very, very important. As a best practice, you should document all the inferences that you get out of your AI system, remodel, create feedback loops so that you are able to improvise on it, align the inferred data to the purpose of processing, and review if the inferred data introduces any new risks in the system. From a regular review and continuous update point of view, why do you need a continuous update? You need a continuous update because the things are going to be changing very regularly, especially when you are talking of AI models. They are working, but continuous evolvement and new things are coming up. Data sources keep changing, so you should do continuous updates. AI models keep evolving, regulations keep evolving. That's very important. So continuous updates are a critical thing. You should do a quarterly data mapping review as well. Use your alerts and triggers when these models changes, and link the data mapping updates to the PIAs, to the risk management, and to the AI ethics audit, right? Mapping, regular reviews, updates, and linking with PIAs, which is privacy impact assessments, with the risk management, with AI ethic audits is very, very important and is one of the recommended practice of how you are handling data mapping with respect to AI. The benefits of reviews, well, you ensure that you are compliant, ongoing compliance. You reduce the risk of shadow data sources, and we are going to talk about shadow data in a few days in a series of videos on shadow data. But this is the data that gets generated and is not easily visible to you at the back end, right? Some metadata are lying at the back end which can be used to generate data but gets neglected as that is not the main data looking in the foreground. It keeps AI explainability and documentation absolutely up to date, right? So that's about AI with respect to the inferred data. I hope you like the content of the video. Please press the bell and the like icon. Subscribe to my channel and share your feedback in the comment section. Thank you.